So I'm just going to do an airbag ECU replacement on a 206. Yeah, it's in there, and you got to take this whole column, this center console out. So first one is in here. It's a little 220 in there. This is like something I used to do a lot back in the day, because I'd actually done my apprenticeship at Peugeot. So it's like muscle memory. I can't remember the last time I actually had to work on a Peugeot, or Peugeot 206 anyway. But that one pulls off, and then I'm trying to remember now where the other screws are. I think it's underneath this one here. It's a bit mucky, this car. I should probably get some gloves on. Whoa. See 10mm underneath there. And I think there's something here, I just can't remember yet. Pop this one out. It's probably in here. I'm gonna get some gloves on. This is
So what? You're gonna be?
Yeah, they need to. I don't know what they're gonna do. They're still discussing it, you know. So that's out. We'll take this 10mm out now. Right, so then you just pull the handbrake up as hard as you can. Unplug the cigarette lighter. Let's see. Simple as that. It's gonna be out, you know. Yeah. You just got to massage it out of the way. So probably slide the seats back and figure it out. I'll show you in a sec. So something like that. Pull it as far back as you can, and then squeeze it through there. Make sure to unplug the cigarette lighter in there. Out she goes, man. Like that, and then money, 5p. Thought it'd be a bit more money than that there. And then remember with the computer you can put it into lock mode and whatever. But I don't think I'm gonna bother. Alright, so the bolts are out now. And here she is. Rubbish. New one. Off eBay. It's a new one. Always got to make sure the numbers are the same. Yeah. Happy. Whoops, like that. I think it was. Done. I used a little wobbly to get into these ones. Nice and easy, yeah. Reconnect it. We'll clear the faults and see what we get. Just like that. So I don't even know. I haven't even plugged the computer in yet, but the light's gone off with starting the car. So pretty much happy days. It's probably exactly the same configuration as the old one, but I'm just going to check anyway.
Driveway, look at this sticker my man's got.
Is that driveway cleaning, yeah? Yeah, they specialize in resin driveways. Go on.
Nice pictures.
Level 2 present. passenger to potential, and then everything else should be absent. Yeah, so it's perfect. Alright, nothing to do here. Okay, back up properly. So now I'm just gonna put everything in back in reverse. Squeeze it back in there. Smashed my hand on this little thing there, it hurts, so be careful, man. I plug this back in, and these two are for the switch. Yeah? Couple screws, 10mm, winning. Sure, guys, this is how you adjust the handbrake as well. If you obviously you're supposed to adjust it in the brake drums, but if you needed a little to tighten up a little bit, you can just pop that cover off and just tighten up that bolt there, and it would make your handbrake travel a bit shorter. Just like that, I'm done. Probably took me about 5 minutes, but like I said, I used to do this a lot back in the day.